some numbers and some kind of low-hanging fruit that we've seen in our experience, and opportunities that might be available. So utilities generally, starting here, are pretty neglected. You know, the boiler man that used to be there all the time retired 5 years ago. Nobody really understands refrigeration anymore. So utilities are a big opportunity, and they consume most of your energy. So they really should be looked after. And we find typically about 55% of boilers and cooling towers are not connected to a central point, whether it's a central SCADA or some other system. And that's an opportunity from an efficiency point of view. 50% of critical steam users are typically metered, and that's a big opportunity. You know, if they're consuming most of your steam, you should know what's happening with that user.